Hi there, I'm Dr. Stephanie McHugh, Vice Provost for Secondary Education for the high school. Welcome, and thanks for checking out this video on interpreting your ASVAB scores. Remember, the ASVAB is the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery. That's just a fancy way of saying it helps you pinpoint future career pathways that may be a great fit for you. This video will help you understand how you might use the ASVAB scores in your future planning. Hope you enjoy it.
Thank you for participating in the ASVAB Career Exploration Program. Now that you have your ASVAB CEP test scores, let's walk through the different areas on the ASVAB summary results sheet to help you understand what all of the numbers mean. If you use the access code on the bottom right corner of your results sheet to log into asvabprogram.com, you can also view your score report online. On the left side of the sheet, you'll see three different types of scores: career exploration scores, individual ASVAB test scores, and a military entrance score, or AFQT. We'll look at the career exploration scores first. Career exploration scores give you an estimate of your verbal, math, and science and technical skills as compared to other students in the same grade. You'll use these scores to explore careers using the OccuFind. Your test scores are displayed as percentile scores and standard scores. You're probably wondering, what's the difference between these two? Percentile scores are not the same as percent correct. Percentile scores show you how well you did in relation to others in your same grade and others of the same or opposite gender. Let's say this test sheet shows a female's test scores. In science and technical skills, she scored as well as or better than 66% of all 11th grade females who took this test. She scored as well as or better than 43% of 11th grade males who took this test. Finally, she scored as well as or better than 54% of all 11th graders who took this test. Now let's look at the standard scores. Standard scores can be confusing. Standard scores are not like what you're used to seeing on a test, where the scores range from 1 to 100. On the ASVAB test, the majority of students score between 30 and 70. This means that a standard score of 50 is an average score, and a score of 60 would be an above average score. You'll notice gray score bands around each score. These bands show the range that scores would probably fall in if you took the test again. In addition to your career exploration scores, you'll also see ASVAB subtest scores. If you've taken the CEP ICAT, your results sheet will look a little different and include an additional subtest score. However, the same explanation applies. Each of the career exploration scores is made up of a combination of some of the individual ASVAB subtests. The verbal skills score includes word knowledge and paragraph comprehension. The math skills score includes arithmetic reasoning and math knowledge. The science and technical skills score includes general science, electronics information, and mechanical comprehension. If you're viewing your test scores online, all of the same information is available. It just looks a little different. Your career exploration scores are represented using books to visually signify strength. The books are always available on your dashboard and on your sidebar. And See ASVAB Results always gives you access to your full score report. The final score on this page is your Military Entrance Score, or AFQT. The AFQT score is what the military will use to determine enlistment eligibility. However, each service and each military job has different requirements, so qualifying AFQT scores can fluctuate. Beyond the AFQT, each job in the military is associated with a service composite category. Your composite scores are computed at Careers in the Military, powered by ASVAB CEP. If you are interested in exploring the military, it is best to discuss these scores with a recruiter. Your ASVAB test scores give you estimates of your abilities at this point in time. They are useful in helping you see your current strengths, and also in guiding your career exploration. If you'd like to improve a certain CEP score, consider which ASVAB subtests make up each score, and focus your studies on those topics.
Hi again. Hope you found this video helpful in understanding how the ASVAB, or the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery, can assist you in planning for a bright future. CCA will be offering additional sessions in partnership with our friends at the National Guard if you'd like a more personalized walkthrough of your scores. Much more guidance and customized interpretation will be available in these sessions. Just contact your counselor if you'd like to learn more. Meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.